Alright guys, here is a 6-mark GCSE question. So we have the function f of x. Now we need to find f inverse of x. So how are we going to do that? So basically, instead of f of x, I'm going to put x. And then instead of x, I'm going to put y, right? So 2y cubed minus 4. And now I need to make y the subject of the formula so that I can find f inverse, right? So this implies that 2y cubed is equal to x plus 4. If I divide everything by 2, then y cubed would be equal to x plus 4 over 2. And then this implies that y is equal to cube root of x plus 4 over 2, right? So, and that is our f inverse of x. So f inverse of x is basically equal to this. Now we need to show, so let me delete this part. So we need to show that f inverse of 50 is equal to 3. So f inverse of 50 is basically substituting 50 into our x here, right? So is cube root of 50 plus 4 over 2, and that is equal to cube root of 54 over 2, right? And 54 over 2 is what? 27. So cube root of 27, and that is equal to 3. And so we have shown that this f inverse of 50 is equal to 3. Now let's move on to the second part. So we have the composite function, we have g of x, we have h of x. We need to find the values of x for which h of g of x is equal to 3x squared plus 1 plus x minus 1. So h of g of x is basically equal to h, and then I'm going to substitute g of x, so h of x plus 2. So g of x is x plus 2, so this g of x is x plus 2. So h of x plus 2, which is equal to, basically, I need to substitute x plus 2 here. So is x plus 2 squared, right? H of g of x is equal to this. Therefore, this one must be equal to this one, right? So, and that is equal to 3x squared plus x minus 1. Now, I just need to solve this and find the values of x where this is true, right? So if I expand the left-hand side, I'm going to have x squared plus 4x plus 4, right? And then that is equal to 3x squared plus x minus 1. Now this implies, or let me bring this one over here. So it will be 2x squared, and then I bring the plus 4 here. It would be minus 3x, right? And then if I bring the 4 here, it will be minus 5. And that implies that x is equal to minus b, so plus 3, plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 9, minus 4ac, so plus 20 times 2, 40 over 2a. So that is equal to 3 square root of 49 is 7, so 3 plus or minus 7 over 4. And that implies that x has two values, so x is equal to 3 plus 7 over 4, which is 10 over 4, and therefore 5 over 2. And then 3 minus 7, which is minus 4 over 4, which is minus 1. So the values of x, so x1 is 5 over 2, and x2 is minus 1. And those two are our final answer.